Last year, everyone was talking about the Reverso Tribute Monoface small seconds. Every channel covered it, everyone had an opinion, and it was impossible to get. This year, JLC released something I actually think is better, and it's been completely missed by every major publication. I'm here to change that, or at least try. Ciao legends, thanks for joining. So here's my theory on why this one slid past everyone. It was marketed primarily as a women's watch, but if you like that vintage look and those proportions, I think you could easily wear this regardless. And if your wrist is under 17 centimeters, you might actually prefer it over the other one. I'm assuming most of you already know the Reverso story, but if you want a quick refresher, I made a video with its full history in 100 seconds that you can check out conveniently. On this visit, I got to spend time with a few Reversos, but my focus was mainly for the solo tempo. As a bonus, I also checked out the small seconds, which I hadn't seen in person since it was released in 2025. This is the Reverso Tribute Monoface or Deco Solo Tempo, 18-karat pink gold case, 40.1 by 24.4 mm, 7.56 mm thick, proportions that sit close to the original 1931 Reverso, not the larger tribute case. Golden grained dial, taffine hands, hours and minutes only. Calibre A22 manual wind, 42-hour power reserve, pink gold Milanese mesh bracelet, and its price at $42,700. On the wrist, and this is for my 16.5 wrist specifically, the proportions are exceptional. It sits perfectly flush and dead center, and the Milanese bracelet is so comfortable that after a minute you forget that's there. Quick refresher on the other one as well, we have the same 18-karat pink gold, same caliber A22, same thickness, but with the larger tribute case at 45.6 by 27.4 mm. Dial and hands are also the same, with the addition of the small second sub-dial at 6. This one will set you back $47,900. The bracelet is built from around 16 meters of gold thread. For the solo tempo, it's 13.5 meters. It's hand assembled, cut, soldered and polished into a Milanese mesh. A few things I truly like here. The way the solo tempo wears is incredible, and you have to try it to fully get what I mean. The buckle is the same on both and it's excellent. It's secure when closed but glides smoothly while you're adjusting it, which is not something that's easy to do on a mesh bracelet this thin. The dial execution on both is outstanding, but I was drawn to the simplicity of the solo tempo because I'm a sucker for white space. And I want to be fair to the small seconds version too. I like how robust it feels, but it's also the exact same reason that wouldn't make me pick it. There is no right or wrong here, it's pure preference. Look, I know this might not be a watch for everyone. The solo tempo comes in at almost $43,000. But I want to break something down because if you look at the current price of gold, it's not as unreasonable as it first sounds. The solo tempo's bracelet is roughly 110 grams. Add another, let's say, 40 grams for the case, and you're at around 150 grams of gold conservatively. At the time of recording, gold is trading approximately $140 per gram. So almost half of that original $43,000 is raw material, before JLC has done a single thing to it. Am I using math to justify a watch purchase? Maybe. Maybe. But you're welcome to borrow this argument next time you need to make your case to a partner, wife, husband, or yourself in the mirror. Usually in this part of the video I will list some cons, but honestly I couldn't find a real negative here. I'd pick the solo tempo, but that's a preference around size and dial look, not a knock on the other one. Both are gorgeous watches, and you know I've always had a soft spot for JLC, so I might be biased here. So am I getting one? Potentially, but not right this second. I've also been eyeing the steel version, the Reverso Tribute Monoface, which honestly I think I will wear far more often. It has the same proportions, same caliber, and I'll be securing an icon for a fraction of the price. There is also the classic Monoface small seconds in steel if you want a small second complication in a smaller case without the gold price tag, and this model in my opinion is JLC's best value for money right now. With that said, I'm not adding anything else to the collection as I'm waiting for my latest purchase to arrive. If you want to know what that is, I will leave the video right here. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, it helps the channel immensely. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one. Cheers!